Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And so today we are from group 10 and we will present about phylum Lycophyta. Okay, next slide. So in our presentation, we will talk about Asian relative of club mosses and wood, and also human and ecological relevance of club mosses and quillwort. So I will pass the presentation to Ichi.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz. So I will explain about the ancient relative of club mosses and quillworts. So some of ancient club moss will grow into a huge trees up to 30 meters or 100 feet tall. So this basically the ancient club moss or the ancestor of the club moss is Lepidodendron, known as Lepidodendron. So their trunks can grow up to 1 meter or 3 feet in diameter. So they were dominant members of forests and swamps of Carboniferous during the 325 million years ago. So the fossilized of this tree exist as large bed of coal. And then here is Lepidodendron reconstruction that is shown in the slide. So I will explain about the Lepidodendron structure. So Lepidodendron is an extinct lycopod tree that lived in the Great Cold Age forest before the time of the dinosaurs, which is during the Carboniferous period. So they were unlike any tree that lives today because in that they did not have a heavy woody trunk. So their bark was covered with diamond-shaped leaf scales. Um, Other than that, they also reproduce with a cone-like structure. Lepidodendron also had shallow roots that grew straight out from the tree. These roots had small rootlets that left scars on the roots. And then after that, lycopods that survive today, shown as a small plant that have shown in the slide at the green circle. So this is a small herbaceous forms that live in the shade or more advanced tree. Okay, now we move to the club moss. So the picture shown today club moss, which is Lycopodium clavatum that we have learned. So Lycopodium clavatum is a small plant that lives in moist woodlands located near stream and marshes. So this common club moss look like mini pine trees. So that is called ground pines. Next, so fieldworts first appeared um, first appeared in the Cretaceous period about 130 million years ago. Their fossils reveal that even the oldest were remarkably similar to their present day relatives. So at the slide shown the evidence, the fossil that shows that leaf microfill bases similar to modern lycopods. So next I will pass to my friends Farah.
Thank you, Ishi. Next, I will present about the human relevance of club mosses and quillworts. First, the club moss spores can produce a flash of light when ignited. As you can see here, this is the lycopodium powder, and lycopodium powder has been used by the magician to make a flame. As you can see here, it is the flame, and the water is actually mixed with the lycopodium powder. Next is for the treatment of urinary disorders and stomach upsets. These are the examples of the medicine that has been used from the lycopodium. And also, as it is stated here, it is also can be used for the digestion disorder, urinary disorders, hair fall, and also diarrhea. And lastly is the is to make a woven. When, for example, is the red and also for the decoration. In the middle is the red and also this one is the decoration. These two are made up of the Moses. They are so beautiful. Next, Hafiz.
Okay, I will explain about ecological relevance of club mosses and quillwood. So the first one is quillwood is eaten by animals, birds, and humans. So this is play an important role as quillwoods actually be a part in a food web. So as you can see in the figures here, there is a ligule, microsporangium, and megasporangium, roots, and corm. So the corm the is the one that animal actually eaten, also human. Okay, next slide. So the second one is ecosystem used for polishing of metals, especially like pewter. Pewter is the kind of metal that we use like for a kettle that used to wash our hands. So that kind of metal, we can use ecosystem to polish it. And lastly, azolla, used as biofertilizers. So as fertilizer, it can promote growth and also nutrition to plants that use this biofertilization. Um, Thank you for us, Group 10. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.